Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Keeping your device updated ensures you get the latest features, security improvements and performance enhancements. So, let's get started on how to update your iPhone to iOS 18. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, go to the General Settings. Tap on the Software Update option. If an update is available, you will see the option to upgrade to iOS 18. Tap on it. You will have two choices, update now or update tonight. Select the option that works best for you. And this is how you can update your iPhone to iOS 18. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.